Hey everyone, how are you doing? Got another video for you here, an exclusive one from the Nobra Motorsport channel. We're all about coding here, providing a lot of coding content for you. Today we'll be taking apart the top screen of an Audi A38V dashboard. If you want to learn, stick around. But I'll tell you now, if you don't give this a like, I'm not going to take apart this screen for you, I'm not going to teach you, and I won't even show you what brand the original screen is. I managed to solve one of the issues I had by tackling it myself by disassembling my car. Give it a try on your car. Tap this cover because it comes with some factory adhesive on top, and over time with the heat it comes loose and this cover starts to rattle. The other day I disassembled it, applied some double-sided tape on the inside, stuck it back on, and it stopped making a noise. Was one of the noises that used to bother me in my car. So let's do this. Leave a like. Hey everyone, leave a like or I won't continue. And of course, you can also subscribe to the channel. Now, to remove the screen, we need to remove the air vents first. So what are we going to do? Let's use our plastic wrench, which everyone should have at home to avoid damaging or marking any finishes. Place it behind and push the air vent out to remove both air vents. Once you remove them, pull them a little bit forward. The air vent comes out entirely for you to see how the mechanism works. It closes and opens the air vent and demonstrates how the internal flaps function. For those of you who were curious, it closes and opens to direct the airflow. Isn't that cool? A lot of people didn't even know that. So that's how the Audi system works. You push forward to close and pull back to open. That's how it works. Isn't that a neat tidbit that many people didn't know about? Once you remove one air vent, remove the other. We have already removed the second air vent. Great. Well, where are the screws? I'll show you up close where the screws go. Inside here you will see that there is a screw on each side. We're going to remove these screws so that we can remove the screen, so this part is going to take a bit. I'll cut the video here and show you after I remove these screws because it requires a bit of work. Let's get to removing the screws and then I'll continue from there. The removed screw is like this one. It's an Allen screw for those curious folks out there. There are 2 Allen screws for you to remove. I used this wrench from my toolkit. It's a 27. So this is a T27 wrench that we're going to use to remove this little screw, okay? We remove the screws from inside, as I showed you earlier. The screws are located on the inside, and down here we have 2 clips. To make you understand how this works, this top cover comes off. Just lift it up and the screen is on the inside. For those who haven't seen before, this is what the screen looks like when disassembled. You can see the gaping hole left on the panel here. With the cover folded to the inside. It looks like this. Beneath here are the screen connectors, the connection cables that directly connect to the sound system which is inside the glove compartment. For those of you curious about how this screen works, I'm showing you something exclusive that no one else has shown before. So this is how it works. I'll leave it here on the outside propped up to show you once you turn on the panel, it lifts up. That's how it works. So the screen lifts up, it comes out from this inner area, and when you press it again, it goes down. It recognizes the inside of the panel. Do you see? So that's how it works. Click, it pops out of the panel. Click again, it goes back into the panel.
And another thing that's really interesting, and a lot of people don't know about it, which I'll demonstrate for you. This is something exclusive to the Nobra Motorsport channel. For those who have never seen it or don't know, I would like to show you the quality of the car's original screen. The official brand of this screen is Alpine. So, this is a legitimate original Audi screen from the Alpine brand. This is the original and official brand that comes with the Audi A38V. Folks, if you like this content, subscribe and hit the like button. Otherwise, there won't be more content, okay? Just so you know, I've already dismantled this bar in other videos. I've shown how I changed the analog air conditioning for the digital one, step by step. I've shown how to change this gear shift cover here when it's all worn out like mine, how to disassemble it, how to change the entire gear knob. I have made a video on how to disassemble the center console. I've also taught you how to remove the air conditioning vents. I've made a video installing the cell phone holder, how to remove the stereo from inside the glove box. Soon I'll have a video dismantling the panel and how to disassemble the car's steering wheel too. Exclusive content, noble coding. We teach about coding. We have a coding course, the best in Brazil. Here we are teaching and showing how to disassemble parts of the Audi A3, okay? Exclusive content. If you liked it, really like it, share it, otherwise there won't be more. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Now I'm going to reassemble and show you how straightforward it is for us to reassemble the screen. Simply fit the screen right here in the opening we made, push it down, and it will fit inside the panel. I'm even going to start the car here because otherwise I'm going to die from the heat in here. I'm going to leave the screen here on the side. The screen is working, all the controls are functioning normally. You can see that I know how to assemble and disassemble without causing any problem too. The screw on one side is in place. Now to put the screw on the other side, then I'll show you how to put the air vents back in place. It's already put back together, the two screws that is. Now we just have to mount the air conditioning outlets. I'm going to take advantage of this moment to place my cell phone holder here. Vent outlets in hand, both of them have a guide pin on the side, okay? These guide pins have to fit into these channels on the corner of the panel, so let's put them back in. One side is correct, and the other side too. Done, and now just to push it into the panel. Air vents are connected, screen is working. Completely original and exclusive video. Another exclusive video. Nobra Motorsport. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel to always receive high quality and unique content from the Nobra Motorsport channel. Do you want to learn about coding? Join our course. First link in the description. Noble Code. The first in Brazil, the only one in Brazil to offer a coding course from scratch to professional 100%. The only one to bring content here since 2011 about coding, about retrofit dismantling car panels, showing it to you here on the Nobra Motorsport channel. The only one in Brazil to offer a real coding course from scratch to professional. Do you want to work with Noble Coding? Noble Coding Motorsport, the oldest guy on the market talking about code, the first to do code. In Brazil, the first coding course in Brazil from scratch to professional. Alright, hugs to everyone. Bye bye, folks.